This is a 2006 Honda Civic. This car has an automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Features include alloy wheels, air conditioning, cruise control, a CD player, tinted glass, an anti-lock braking system, dual airbags, full power accessories, a rear window defroster, and a sunroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. With an EPA estimated rating of 36 miles per gallon on the highway, fuel efficiency does not take a back seat. Not to mention that this Honda qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Stark Automotive is located at 1423 Highway 51 in Stoughton. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.